Hi, my name's Jessica and I'm with the Potomac Bead Company. Today I'm going to show you how to do stamped pendants. What you'll need is a hammering block, a hammer, your stamps. We have those in 3 different sizes, 6mm, 3mm, and 1.5mm. The pieces of metal that you're going to stamp, masking tape, and a pencil. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is an initial. Initials are really great for personalized necklaces with kids' initials, parents, and you can put birth charms. I'm going to do my initial since my name is Jessica. I will pick the J. First, you're going to line up your stamp. Place it onto your tag, and you want to make sure that it's laying flat against your tag, and you don't want it to wiggle. When you have it in place, you're going to give it 3 really hard taps. When you lift up, your initial should be stamped in the tag. Next, I'm going to show you how to stamp a word. I'm going to do my name. The easiest thing to do is to take a piece of masking tape and lay it flat on your tag, so that way you have a registration mark. So that way your name is straight. I'm going to use the 3mm tags. I am going to just pick up 3 letters, J, E, and let me find the S, S. Okay. When you're doing names and words, it's easier to start in the middle and work outward, so that way your name or word or phrase is centered. I'm going to start with my E. I'm going to place my E right at the bottom of the tape, and I'm going to give it 3 hard taps. Your E should be nice and registered. Now I'm going to work on my first S, since it's right beside the E. A lot of people like to place the 2 blocks next to each other. You don't want to do this because then you'll have a lot of gap in between your letters. It won't register correctly. So I'm going to place my S, give it 3 hard taps, and now I can work on my first and last letters since it's centered. I'm going to do my last S, and I'm going to do my J. And before you stamp, always make sure your letter is going to be facing the correct way. Nothing is more disheartening than an incorrectly stamped pendant. Jess. Some people like to take a pencil and actually draw the center mark, so that way they know where to put the E and the S, or the letters in the middle of your name. And that is how you do stamped pendants.